spread your heart like 1,000 pieces floating in.
We have the 5 in reverse. We also got this, okay? Gusto sabihin ng Panginoon, mag-break free kayo sa mga cycles. Kasi si 5 is naka-reverse, ibig sabihin yan, yung changes ay hindi nagagawa kasi hindi pa kayo nakalaya sa mga dapat ninyong pakawalan. Like, can be old habits. And we also got time machine in either way. We also have true story. We also got strong. And we also have this one. So, gusto sabihin sa inyo ng Panginoon na iba sa inyo ay naliligaw ng landas. Maybe because of the reason that you're holding on to something of the past. And I'm sensing with a strong being here. So you're solely divinely guided to actually, walk away from certain things that doesn't serve you anymore. Kasi yung progression mo ay naudlot. Okay, napapalong yung process mo. Sana may growth or may changes. Pero since you're not letting go of something, yun yung nagpe-prevent sa'yo to grow. So, sana whatever it is that's holding you back from accelerating, let that go. Going with the flow with whatever God wants you to do. Kasi nakakabuti rin yan. So, umpisa ay mahirap. Kasi syempre, you got used to something. Diba? So, yung maniwala ka na once that you break free from it, that is when changes will finally happen to your life. Kung gusto mo talagang pagbabago, then do your work. Let go of what doesn't serve you. Remember na nasa Diyos ang awa, nasa tao ang gawa. So, that's why God is divinely guiding you to let go what is holding you back, okay? And that's it, guys, and God bless all of you.